Ready for a no meat, no egg, no dairy, fast, low cost, little energy to make, great tasting meal? Then let's make one. Hello, this is really just a quickie. I got some bug up my rear and I had to do some grilled carrots. I just had them on my head. So I just took these off the grill just a couple of minutes ago. They're beautiful. They're sprinkled with some granulated garlic, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna make just a really quick dinner for myself. So I thought I wasn't even gonna shoot this one. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna shoot it. I might as well, what's the difference? Throw it together as quick as I can, put the camera on, and here we are. So I've got some really nice pieces of summer squash and zucchini and asparagus in here. If you can see that, really nice, beautiful, okay. I've got some smoked tofu is gonna go in here. I've got some portobello mushrooms, which I already had in the refrigerator. So kind of have to discount that as making it all right now. And I've got some green onions. I've got a little lime juice, which I'm gonna put on the end, and I've got my beautiful mesquite smoked carrots, which are gonna go on here as well. I've got a little bowl of rice, so I'm just gonna make this little rice dish, something really simple. It's gonna taste fantastic. I'll heat it all up one more time before I put the green onions on in the microwave, and I'm just gonna put it together. I'm gonna make a sauce though right now, or a dressing, whatever you wanna call it. So I'm using yellow curry, just a little bit, probably 2 tablespoons full, something like that. I'm just kind of throwing out the measurement there real quick. And I'm gonna just put a little Thai sweet ginger in it. And I've done this before with other stuff, but not much, just a little bit to enhance like 1 teaspoon of the Thai sweet ginger I'm putting in there. That's it. I'm gonna stir that up. That's gonna go on here when it's all done, and then I'm gonna stick it back in the microwave to heat it all back up. I'm going to just thin that out a bit so it really disperses nicely. Just put a tiny bit, like a half a teaspoon of water in there, because the coconut curry is really thick, and I want to make sure it disperses over everything really well and not kind of clumping up on stuff, so everything gets a bit of this flavor on it. I can't tell you how good those smoked, hickory smoked carrots are. They're just fantastic. You can see, can you get a good look at them? Yeah, that's our nice grill marks on them. They're just beautiful. I have enough for quite a few things. I'm probably just gonna vacuum seal some of these up and just save them for later. So first thing I'm gonna do is just gonna start dumping the stuff on. I think what I'm gonna do before I start dumping the stuff on, just cut up my, let's leave that over there and that over there, and just really just cut up my tofu into my little squares like I normally do. So 1, 2, 3 cuts in this block. This block is a serving. And then I'm gonna do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just these great little squares. Put these in the rice so they're nice and broken up. I'm gonna cut my portobellos in half there a little bit, put those in here. So it's not with every bite, but it'll be great. Just like that, beautiful. Okay, now I'm just gonna stick my veggies on top. So this is the asparagus, the zucchini, and the summer squash, which goes on top of that. I hope this is all going to fit in the bowl. It should. Okay, so let's put that aside. And now let's take some, let's get another, oops. Oh, we should use one of these. Sorry about that. Okay, and I'm just going to take 2 of these little smaller ones, and I'm just going to cut them on the bias, roughly about a 1/2 inch a piece. That's it, just beautiful. These smoked, grilled, garlic and olive oil infused carrots go right into. Oh, I can't tell you how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Is that just gorgeous? That's just going to be fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to take a little lime juice at this point, and just a tiny bit. I'm not going to overdo the lime juice here, but it'll be really nice enhancement on it, just like that. And all my flavor is going to come out of the coconut curry and the Thai sauce. So I'm going to put this over the top. Just like that. Just beautiful. That's going to be great. And I'm going to put this into the microwave and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's out of the microwave. I cannot tell you how good that smells. That's fantastic. We're going to put the little bit of green onion garnish back on top of here, just like that. Beautiful. Oh man. I can't wait to eat this. I'm FOODMAKER V. And remember, the best investment you can ever make is an investment in your health. I'll see you next time.